All right, here I had a 23 Volkswagen Jetta with the 1.5 liter engine. And if you just kind of want the quick info, here it takes 0W20. It has to be Volkswagen 50800 specification. They recommend Castrol Edge Professional SAE 020 Long Life. That's OEM recommended, but that's not what I usually put in. Oil capacity is 4.6 quarts. Drain plug is 19 millimeter. Drain plug torque is 30 Newton meters. And then down here, I have oil filter OEM part numbers. And I'll explain a little more after this. So here at the top, you got your dipstick and your oil fill right next to each other. So they make that easy. Down here, you have a splash guard. So towards the front, you have like 7 or 8 T25 screws. Here in the middle, you have 3 T45. And then here on more towards the back, you have 2 T25 plastic screws, which are a little finicky and a little annoying to get off. But that's what the sizes are. And here's an OEM picture of what they're supposed to look like. All right. If that helps you out, I just added it. And like I said, this is what the plastic screws look like. They're T25s, and sometimes the screws will come out. Sometimes the screw and the little thing that holds it in will also come out. So if that happens to you, like it did to me, have fun with that. So here, once you take off your splash shield, on the passenger side, you have your drain plug, and then a little towards the front, there's your oil filter. All right. And now this car apparently takes 2 types of oil filters. There's one that ends in T and one that ends in AC. I couldn't figure out what was the difference between type 1 engine and type 2 engine. But here at partsvolkswagen.com, I looked up my VIN number, and I wanted to see what oil filter they recommended. And then here, looking at the numbers, the oil filter that ends in AC, if you look down in the info, it'll say it's for a 1.5 liter Jetta and another car. And then the one that ends in the T, it'll say it's for like 1.4 liter engines. And it'll fit all these other cars. I just went with this Man W71295 from Rock Auto because it looks like both of them, honestly. And I didn't have any problems with this one. Now, when you if you still have the old drain plug, per the instructions, they want you to throw it away and get a new one that looks more like the one on the right here. And then replace your crush washer every time you use the new one on the right. I don't know what the difference is. I mean, obviously one of them is a little bigger. But here is the drain plug that they want you to use. That's the OEM part number, N902-88901. And then here's the OEM part number for the crush washer as well. All right. So if that helps you out right there to get new crush washers. Now to reset your oil life, you're going to turn your car on, the ignition on, and make sure your engine is off, only ignition on. And you're going to get kind of through all this stuff. So once you're here, press down and just keep pressing down until you find distance/time right there. Click this side button. And then once you're here, hold the side button for about 10 seconds. So once you're at that menu, and then once your 10 seconds is done, let go. And then this should bring up your service menu. And then you can go down to reset oil change. It'll ask reset oil change service. And then you press OK. And then there's your oil reset. All right. And then you could come here at the menu, press vehicle, press settings. And if you go down to service, it'll show you when your next oil service is due.